All right, class. So here we are with our Lego board. Why don't you tell them what's going on here, Jade?
I made a Navy fort and a pirate fort.
Yeah?
The pirate fort's made of a bunch of sunken ships, and the Navy fort is made out of this random pieces.
So what's going on in the back of this thing?
Here's the gun room. This is where they sleep, and that's where they keep all their food.
Oh, nice. Okay, so we got a galley, we got a berthing, and we got the top deck here. And I think this might be his treasure fort. Might be some treasure in there somewhere. And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna make a second fort. Well, not a second fort, but a second fort.
Okay.
These pieces and some of the pieces on the bottom right here.
Yeah, we're gonna put some land on there and maybe make like a skull island with cannibals or something cool. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, for this project, it's too easy. You're gonna need a pre-cut piece of plywood that you can buy at Ace or Lowe's or wherever. We bought ours at Ace. You're gonna need some fabric. It's about a square yard, I believe, and we got that at Walmart. And we went to Ace and we got some industrial strength spray adhesive or spray glue. You're gonna need some leftover cardboard boxes from Christmas, and of course you're gonna need your Legos. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay our Legos out, we're gonna put them into place and hold them into place with these smaller pieces. Then we are going to spray the board with spray adhesive. We're gonna stick the fabric on it, this stuff right here. And why we're doing this is so that it doesn't scratch your furniture or your tables or anything like that, because this whole thing's meant to be portable. And then we're gonna flip it and we're gonna stick our Legos on it. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so what we're doing is we have lined out our pieces and then we have stuck them together with smaller plates. And what this does is it keeps it all square, holds it all together. Then we're going to mark it with a pencil. We're going to trim it down with a handsaw real quick, and then we're going to glue it down and hold it all into place. Okay. Weird. Alright guys, so we are going to rip this board by hand. It's always fun. Alright guys, so we're going to use this 3M high strength industrial spray adhesive. You want to spray it about 3 times, 3 passes, and then let it dry until it gets tacky, and then lay your cloth on. Okay guys, we flipped the cardboard, that's a necessity, and then we are going to stretch the fabric over it to protect your furniture. Yep, you're in the, you gotta make YouTube friends. Stretch it really tight. this is the finished product. So now we've got our waves and our beach and our grass, and we got a spot to build our mountains and put in our plants and all kinds of cool stuff. So what are you going to put here, Jabe?
Not right there, but I want to make a little river right there for there.
A river, okay. Solid plan. And it's 2 pieces. And it's got the cloth on the back so it doesn't scratch up your stuff. Like and subscribe.